What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Jacob here with Life Outdoors. Today we got the pup out. We're in the beautiful Deschutes National Forest. We're gonna do some exploring, see if we can't get a few fish on nymphs, maybe a dry fly eat. Never really explored this area, so it should be a pretty fun day, and we'll get to see how the pup does with some fish in action, because I haven't had her out on the river while I've actively been fishing. So no promises on how long she'll make it for the trip or whether she's going to come back and spend some time in the tent. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. It's okay, she's not going to make it far out there before she has to loop back.
Look how fast she's going. Oh, good job.
I want it to be like a good fishing time learning moment. Hey, no, belly, leave it. Oh.
Oh god. Okay. Stop.
Grab her. Okay. I've got 2 hooks in my grasp. Wait, just hold on to her for a second. Let me. She will break this rod, so don't let her go.
Picture hey.
Nope.
Come on, go. Go. Okay, go.
Leave it. Eh.
Jacob.
She's not gonna drown.
Wait.
Okay, girl. So right now we're pretty much just working through tiny little pools, one pool at a time. It looks like this is going to start opening up a little bit over here, which I'm pretty excited for. But right now I haven't seen any fish, haven't moved any fish. So we're just kind of trying to figure out where these fish are going to be sitting. and what they're going to want to eat. Those are our first couple goals. Where are they sitting and what do they want to eat? Just saw fish on the underwater camera, so they're down there. That's pretty cool to see. Only saw one, but one fish on camera means a lot more off camera. That's something I've learned for sure. Wow. Sick up here. I mean, I'm sending some darts, guys. Holy cow. I'm getting no love in return. These are either the smartest brook trout ever, or I'm just not in the fishy spot yet. But I find that tough to believe, considering this looks amazing. I have a mosquito biting my forehead. Ow. Bastard. I haven't seen a fish eat from the surface. I haven't seen a fish eat nymphs. Saw one fish swimming around and that's been it. I mean, that should have been a fish right there. Brook trout on the stemmy. It's about as classic a combination as you can write up. Okay, I just had my first swing and a miss by a fish. Very small, but I'm assuming it was a brook trout. Might have been a wild rainbow. Can't be certain. Oh wait, there's a couple of decent fish sitting down right here. We're gonna get the nymph rod out real quick. Drop that nymph over top of these two. By the way, this is the rod that I won at the fly fishing film tour giveaway, and I ended up finding a $5 reel, old school, to put on it, so that's kind of neat, but also funny because it's like a $300 something rod.